Sunday, June 1st, 2025. Online check-in completed. Screen captured all the QR codes for the trip. Discovered a Mont Blanc place near our hotel and pinned it. Monday, June 2nd, 2025. Finally, the first day of our Japan trip, the lounge food was still excellent. The hotel was super clean with tons of outlets. The gyoza place was amazing, but the first udon place wasn't worth the 2-hour wait. Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025. We got to Kurashiki on time, as planned, but no boat ride because the rain. Instead, we could get a special tour by a kind grandpa from the tourist center. The denim soft serve there was super tasty. Wednesday, the 4th of June 2025. Our plan to hit 5 museums in one day in Naoshima, including the new one, worked out perfectly. The omarise Mom had been looking forward to the most was really good. The Mont Blanc near the hotel was super tasty, and we had the amazing gyoza from yesterday again. Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. On the last day, we visited Ritsurin Park, and Mom really loved it. We had the last udon near the park and picked up some souvenirs. After being impressed by the Mont Blanc near the hotel, we tried to get another one somewhere else but failed. Friday, June 6, 2025. The cheesecake snack I brought from Japan was amazing. Too lazy to cook, I had a burger with a coupon. Now it's time to get back into studying Japanese. Saturday, June 7th, 2025. Editing the travel videos should go after the test. Uploads to my YouTube channels are on hold too. Began memorizing jlpt N2 vocabulary today. Sunday, the 8th of June, 2025. Mom's a bit sad about missing takoyaki on our Japan trip. Maybe we can get it somewhere else on our next trip to Japan. I'm not really feeling this season of Street Woman Fighter. Monday, June 9th, 2025. On this trip, I tried using only Japanese. I'm still a beginner, but it was much easier to communicate than in English. I was missing Mont Blanc, so I ordered one near my place but failed. Tuesday, June 10th, 2025. Got new filters to get ready for AC season. Glad we finished the trip before the real heat hit. Mom sent me yugeja since I loved at the lounge. Wednesday, June 11th, 2025. Mont Blanc's hard to get in Korea and not as good as in Japan. We also have a copycat of Japan's 7-Eleven creme brulee ice cream, but apparently not that good. Probably need to head back to Japan for desserts again. Thursday, June 12th, 2025. Change the AC filters. Tried some N2 past questions and barely made the cutoff. These days, I don't really do much except studying Japanese. Friday, June 13th, 2025. Had the yukezan from mom with some more veggies in it. News says they're developing an Alzheimer's treatment and I hope it works. My favorite show's on a 3-week break, which sucks. Saturday, June 14th, 2024. Catching up on my journal and studying Japanese at the same time is tough. When the exams close, I'll probably put journaling off again. Soup tastes better the longer you let it simmer. Sunday, June 15th, 2025. Tried another N2 pass test, still messed up, but it felt less confusing than before. Let ChatGPT handle the explanations, but it got many answers wrong. Only helped when I gave it the answer first. Monday, June 16th, 2025. My friend's foot got swollen from gout. Looks like we can use Apple devices for public transit in Korea soon. Korea still has so many barriers for Apple users. Tuesday, June 17th, 2025. My air conditioner's dead after acting out. I ran through the self-check list, but it didn't help. Booked the repair for after the exam to stay focused. Wednesday, June 18th, 2025. The air conditioner suddenly works again. I'm happy I found a health check center near my place. While studying Japanese, I keep spotting Japanese words Koreans use wrong. Thursday, the 19th of June 2025. Since the AC's still busted, I'm thinking about heading to the library. Heard the cooling there's weak too, so not sure. Asiana's running a mileage deal, so I'm thinking of going to Japan again. Friday, June 20th, 2025. My Duolingo streak hit 300 days. ChatGPT still isn't great with Korean. I did worse on a past jlpt test and it kinda killed my vibe. Saturday, June 21st, 2025. The AC still isn't working, but luckily it's not that hot. Hope the weather stays like this until the AC guy arrives. My burger coupon's about to expire, but I'm not feeling it yet. Sunday, June 22nd, 2025. I'm thinking about spending this year's Asiana miles visiting Osaka during the expo. The thing is, I heard Osaka is still crazy hot even in late September. I also have to use up this year's Korean Air miles though. Monday, the 23rd of June 2025. Just 2 more days, then it'll rain and cool down. Mom says she bragged to her friends about our Japan trip. My friend quit meat for health. Tuesday, the 24th of June 2025. My friend who teaches middle school says her students are going wild these days. My soap dispenser broke and they don't sell that model anymore. I didn't feel like eating warm food in hot weather, had me on an ice cream. Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025. Japanese linking, words still confuse me. Oil pasta is perfect when I don't feel like eating. There was a blackout at night, but the power came back faster than I thought. Thursday, the 26th of June 2025. News says there's a fire in an apartment because of a power strip. Japanese tests in 10 days, but don't feel like I'm getting better. Had oil pasta 2 days in a row. Friday, the 27th of June 2025. Tried the AC after 3 days, it suddenly worked fine. Lately I've been seeing lots of angry comments online, maybe it's the heat. Thinking about starting a YouTube channel to call that kind of stuff out. Saturday, the 28th of June 2025. Nike stock is finally going up. My friend started eating healthy and living regularly. I'll do 1 pass test a day until the exam from tomorrow. Sunday, the 29th of June 2025. The exam is just a week away. I'll finally catch up on everything once it's done. I was really blessed by today's sermon. Monday, the 30th of June 2025. I printed out some answer sheets to do some mock tests. They said the test ticket's not needed, so I skipped printing it. Since I felt a bit weak on grammar, I watched some lessons on YouTube.